Hello guys, welcome to the Haunted Zombie Beginner Series Part 1. In this lecture we will learn how we can import an asset and also learn about Unity interface, and the third thing is switch platform to Android or iOS. I have the Android device, so I will switch it to Android. First of all, I will import an asset. Okay, it's done. All assets are imported in the project window. So the next task is the Unity interface, but I will do first switch platform to Android. So let's go. Choose Android. You can select also iOS, but I will choose Android and switch platform. It will take a little bit time, so wait and watch. Okay, it's done. The platform is switched to Android. You can check it out, and you can select your own resolution. You can select any resolution according to your platform. Like I have the Android platform and I want to choose the resolution 720 by 1280. This is the resolution of my game, so I will select the resolution from here. There are a lot of windows in Unity interface, like scene window, where developer can edit anything. This one is the game window, where the user can see like mobile screens, and there are more windows like hierarchy window. This one, the hierarchy window, where you can add your assets or drag your assets, or you can use the built-in assets like 3D, cube, sphere, anything you can use. This is the project window where you can drag your assets, and the definition of game objects or asset will be in inspector window. So you can see the definition of all game objects in the inspector window. This was the basic lecture about how we can import an assets or another stuff. So please stay tuned with us for more and advanced techniques. Goodbye for now.